Welcome to Viet Lingo, learn Vietnamese your way, your dialect. Hi everyone, my name is Thanh Huyền. I'm a Vietnamese teacher at Viet Lingo. Today we're learning Northern Vietnamese. How do you talk about possibility, predictions, or consequence? In Vietnamese, we use the essential structure for conditional sentence. Nếu, thì. This structure is fundamental for making plans, giving advice, and even making polite requests. While the concept is simple, using the placement of thì correctly is key to sounding fluent. Today, we master the nếu thì structure so you can express cause and effect perfectly in every conversation. Let's watch a conversation between two friends, Minh and An, discussing weekend plans.
Nếu cuối tuần này trời nắng thì chúng ta đi chơi công viên nhé.
Tớ nghĩ nếu đi công viên thì chắc chắn sẽ đông lắm đấy. Có vẻ như là trời cũng không nắng đâu.
Nếu không đi công viên được thì bọn mình đi xem phim thôi.
Thôi được rồi, nếu xem phim thì tớ mời cậu ăn bỏng ngô.
Notice how nếu introduced the condition and thì is introduced the result. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to use nếu to establish the condition or hypothesis. Correctly place thì to introduce the main result clause. Use this structure to talk about prediction, advice, and hypothetical situations. The Vietnamese conditional sentence structures is fixed and easy to learn. It always involves two clauses, the conditional clause beginning with nếu and the result clause beginning with thì. Grammar point 1. The basic nếu thì structures. This structure's function is express a condition and its consequence. Our structures here. Nếu plus condition clause. Thì plus result clause. Placement of thì. Thì is always placed at the beginning of the result clause. This is the key difference from English, where then is often optional. In Vietnamese, thì helps signal the beginning of the consequence. For the first example, nếu anh ấy không học thì chắc chắn anh ấy sẽ trượt. If he doesn't study, then he will surely fail. Nếu ngày mai trời mưa thì chúng ta sẽ hủy buổi dã ngoại. If it's rain tomorrow, then we will cancel the picnic. Grammar point 2. Thì as an emphasis marker. Thì can sometimes be used in the result clause even if nếu omitted from the condition clause, especially in conversational speech. However, the complete nếu thì structures is the safest and clearest way to write or speak. For example, đi đường này thì sẽ nhanh hơn nhiều. Taking this road will be much faster. Grammar point 3. Negative condition. To express a negative condition, simply place không, not, inside the condition clause, typically before the verb. Nếu plus subject plus không plus verb or predicate. For example, nếu cậu không thích thì chúng ta chọn cái khác. If you don't like it, then we will choose another one. Example 2. Nếu tôi không nhầm thì cô ấy là người Hà Nội. If I'm not mistaken, then she is from Hanoi. Okay, let's see what you have learned. Time for a little practice. Activity 1. Complete the sentence by filling in nếu or thì. 1. Tôi có nhiều tiền. Tôi sẽ mua một chiếc xe hơi. 2. Muốn giỏi tiếng Việt. Phải luyện tập thường xuyên. 3. Trời tối rồi. Chúng ta nên về nhà. Activity 2. Quick translation. How would you say this in Northern Vietnamese using nếu thì? 1. If he calls, then tell him I'm busy. 2. If I were you, I would quit that job. Great job, everyone. You can now predict the future, or at least talk about it. So let's recap. The golden rule is nếu plus condition, thì plus result, used for prediction, consequence, or advice. P is mandatory at the beginning of the result clause. Practice this with your friends or teacher today by giving them some advice starting with nếu. You sound incredibly nature in no time. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more Vietnamese lessons from Vietlingo. We love to have you in our community. Thank you for watching. Cảm ơn, xin chào và hẹn gặp lại.
That's the end of today's lesson. Thank you so much for watching and learning Vietnamese with us. If you'd like to experience our teaching style in person, we'd love to invite you to a 30-minute free trial lesson with one of our experienced Viet Lingo teachers. Just scan the QR code and book your spot. We've helped thousands of learners around the world speak Vietnamese with confidence, and we can help you too.